affidavit of designated representative of the proponent at kailangan nyo lang po itong kumpletuhin. And then dapat po ito ay pirmado ng managing head or the proponent head at tayo ng mga representative at papanotaryo. Okay po, pwede nating fill upan ito before we end. So halimbawa, ikaw yung representative, no, na nagre-represent ng ating ano po, project. So halimbawa, name of company head, sinong nag-represent kanina? Si Peter S. Pan. Siya yung president. Then hereby designate yung ikaw bilang PCO, halimbawa Juan de la Cruz as my official representative on, ito naman po yung nasa name ng project, halimbawa ABC Hospital Project. With respect to the filing of compliance monitoring report in accordance with Section 19A of the Revised Procedural Manual for DAO 2003-30, and to confirm that all the information and commitments in this compliance monitoring report dated, so halimbawa nagsubmit tayo July 7, 2025 for the name of the project, halimbawa po yung ABC Hospital Project with ECC reference number, invento na lang po, halimbawa ECC OL R4A 121234. So base sa sinubmit po na report, are accurate and complete to the best of our knowledge and documents available on file. No DNR-EMB personnel was directly involved in the preparation of this compliance monitoring report. I hereby bind myself to answer any penalty that may be imposed arising from any misrepresentation or failure to state material information in this CMR report. That this designation will remain in effect until revoked by written notice. So lagyan natin dito yung name of proponent head, si Peter S. Pan. Siya po ang president, at yung company name, halimbawa ABC Company Inc. at yung valid ID number. Driver's license number 12345. And then bilang representative, lagay dito Juan de la Cruz, name of representative, valid ID number, let's say PRC number 1234. So ito ay papapirmahan sa proponent head at sa iyo, and then kailangan may notaryo.